I'm Rajiv Kulkarni. I'm the VP and the General Manager of Consumer Solutions at 3D Systems. We are a 3D printing company based in Rock Hill, South Carolina. And we've been doing 3D printing for the last 25 years and have started this whole industry 25 years ago. Well, there are two significant trends. One is it's going towards the consumers and the mass market, where 3D printing is becoming accessible to the everyday users. Kids, teenagers, everyday inventors are beginning to use this printer, and it's going to go more and more in that direction where every person is going to have a 3D printer in their house, much like they have a 2D printer. On the high end, we are making extremely large and accurate systems which are then being used to make real end-use parts like dashboards of cars and other aerospace applications, dental applications, medical applications. So there are two distinct directions for this industry. For the last 20 years, we've been really focused on selling this to big companies and OEMs where the printers are used to print large, accurate parts. In the last 2 years, we have started focusing on the consumer side of the business, and that's our consumer solution divisions, where we sell printers for as low as $1,000, ranging from $1,000 to about $4,000. The main thing with the consumers is the user experience. So the focus on the product lines are going to be, they need to be more easy to use. So we're going to make them more easier to use for even a 9-year-old child. At the same time, digital content is quite important. So making sure that there are easy tools to create content is another step that couples with the printers that we provide this community. Consumers would typically use this either to create parts for some of the appliances that break in their house. The kids would use them to express their creativity. With the increase in internet and social media, what has happened is people have expressed their creativity in many ways in the 2D world, which is images, writing, sketching, drawing, and so forth. This tool now, for the first time, provides an avenue for people to express their creativity in 3D. Any ideas and designs that they can think of can become a reality in the house without having to use outside expensive manufacturing.